Portraits. It's going to be Luke Hughes. Beautiful. That's a nice card, guys. Nice hit. I love it. Luke Hughes is one of the bigger guys you can find in here. All right.
Step up to the plate, let's rip. Pack in my hand, who's ready to flip? Autograph rookie or a numbered beast. Hit that mojo, let's face. Rip it, flip it, see what we got. One of one, man, that's hot. From the dugout to the cage, the thrill never fades. That's just the breaks.
Hey everybody, welcome back to That's Just the Breaks. Today we're going to be doing another one of these higher end breaks. Really excited about this one. We've got one box of the 23-24 Series 2 Upper Deck Hockey. I'm hoping to pull that Connor Bedard Young Guns finally. Haven't done so well so far. We did find a Connor Bedard in here, but it was not the Young Guns. And also, I'm super excited to get into this 23-24 Synergy Hockey Hobby. It says collect all new tech insert cards, 3 cards per pack, 8 packs per box, so only 24 cards in this. You can get redemptions. All of the big guys sign in this. You can get acetate cards. You can get, just there you go. Rare Cast for Greatness, all metal. That would be nice. Look for numbered autograph versions. That would be super sweet. And like I said, yeah, the big guys do sign in this. Bedard, Crosby, Gretzky, you name it. Those guys sign in here. So fingers crossed we can hit one of those guys and have a really nice break here. So we're gonna pass our little Connor over this. Give us some luck, guys. We need some Bedard luck. Ooh. We're gonna stand him up back there. I know, we're just being silly. And we're gonna start with this box here. 23-24 Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey. Only 4 packs in this box, 12 cards in a pack, so should be a little bit of a shorter video. So appreciate you guys joining me for these. If you like these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. Helps out the channel and we sure appreciate it. So wish us luck, guys. Everybody think Bedard, 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 Bedard. Let's go. First pack starts off with a Brendan Gallagher. Got Drysdale, Middlestead, Rakel, Toffoli. We have a glossy of Owen Beck. We have a canvas. It's going to be Brady Tkachuk. Not terrible. We'll take that. We'll get a sleeve for Brady in a minute. Our deep roots is going to be Elias Peterson. One of these per box. We got Roman Hosey, Viella, Delandre, and Markstrom to close out that one. All right, let's get a sleeve for Mr. Tkachuk here. Get in there. It's a very nice card there. Not terrible at all. I like Brady. Liked his dad even better. That's a story for another day. Keith was a beast. Loved watching him play when he was back at the Blues. Second pack starts off with a Mason Marchment. We've got Kochekov. Tough one. Zaitsev. Sissons. Really trying me here. We got one of those shiny diamondy parallels. It looks like it's going to be a PC of K. Connor. Oh, we have a Young Guns. It's going to be Tyler Angle. Right after that, we'll get a couple sleeves for these here in just a minute. Not terrible. We have a UD Portraits. It's going to be Luke Hughes. Beautiful. That's a nice card, guys. Nice hit. I love it. Luke Hughes is one of the bigger guys you can find in here. All right, we got Director of the Boards, Frederick. Lots of sleevable cards in this one. We got Holloway, Strom, Trocheck, and Johansson. All right, let's get a sleeve and a top loader for this guy. Upper Deck Portraits, Luke Hughes. Absolute beast in the league, doing very well as a young man. I hope to see him continue to do that as well. Let's get him on a stand. Gorgeous, love it. A couple more of these here. I'm not sure about Angle. I've heard good things about him, but I don't know much about him. I'll show you that card here in just a second. Guys, leave me a comment. Let me know if you know anything about this guy. For the Capitals, it looks like. Tyler Angle. And who is K? K Connor. I don't know who the K is. Not sure on that one. Still a pretty card, so we'll get a sleeve for it. Love the sparkly on that. It's gorgeous. All right, halfway through here. Bedard. Let's go. Starting this next one off with a Ryan Hartman. Got Romanov. Matheson. Olmark. Glossie's going to be Kasparov. Or Kasparzov, like that. Decent player there. We got Patrick Laine on the Green Dazzlers. It's a good looking card. We'll get a sleeve for that one for sure. PCs is going to be Panarin. Not terrible. Got Dickinson. Burns. Hart. That's a great picture. Very cool. Lundell and Harris to close out that pack. All right, more sleeves. Love it. Lonnie on the Dazzlers. We'll get a sleeve and a top loader for him. And we'll get a sleeve and a top loader for Kasparov too. Not a rookie, but a really nice player. Bring him over there. All right, last pack. Our last chance. Bedard. Let's go, guys. Drake Batherson to start us off. Got Raymond. Werenski. Svechkinov. Or Svechkinov. Oh, that's a tough one, guys. Tough one. Matt Murray on the young gun. So, no Bedard. Sad face. Superstars honor roll of Pharrell. We got an instinctive of Comper. Great looking card there. Carlson. Rasmussen. Hornick. Tuck. And Lois Starnen to close out that box. Luke Hughes, about the only good hit out of there, I should say. Not the only good hit, but the only real stand-worthy card, I feel like. I don't know about any of these young guns that we pulled here, these two guys. Yeah, haven't heard of them, don't know much about them, so can't really say much. If any of you guys know, let me know. And we are going to clear this deck one more time for this. And let's get into Synergy Hockey Hobby. 23-24 Synergy Hockey Hobby. Oh, I am so excited for this. I'm hoping we can find an auto. It is not guaranteed in a box, but I'm hoping this is our chance at one of these really nice autos you can find. There's legends in here, guys. Legends in here. Nice packaging. 4 packs there. 4 packs there makes 8. Look at that packaging, guys. Comes with a nice little styrofoam there so you don't mess your stuff up. Sweet. Upper Deck Bounty are an incredible award cards. Wow, never heard of that. Alright. Let's scoot this over to the side. Let's run some Bedard over the top of these. Come on, come on. We need some good luck this trip. 8 packs to go in this one. 3 cards per pack. Oh. There we go. Be very careful with these, so bear with me as I go a little slower opening these up. There we go. Try not to mess any of these up. Oh, we got backward stuff in here. Let's flip these around. Oh, we got a Light Up the Night of Matt Boldy. That is going to be numbered 199. Or 191 of 499. Let's see if I can get that in the light there so you guys can see it. Come on, focus. There we go. Very nice. We'll get a sleeve and a top loader for that. Next up, we've got 3020. Or is it 2030? Excuse me, 2030 of Seth Jarvis. I'm not sure what 2030 is. Jarvis became 4th youngest Carolina skater to record a hat trick. 8 of 18 in that set. Very nice. We'll get sleeves for almost all of these cards, I'm sure. And Eric Carlson. That's just the base. Set that to the side, and we'll get some sleeves and top loaders for these. I'm not going to put all these on the stand, but I will put them over here to the side and we'll go through them as we go. Matt Boldy there. Light Up the Night parallel. Numbered there. Real nice. Show you guys the back there. Don't know much about Boldy. Anybody tell me anything about him? Got some Wild fans out there. Anybody know anything about this guy? Leave me a comment, let me know. Hit that like and subscribe while you're there if you don't mind. Sure appreciate it. Let's get into this second pack. Oh, we might as well just go ahead and cut these. Some of these cards are in here backwards and forwards, so I'm not really sure exactly how to open these to not spoil them, but we're going to do our best. Not spoil the corners on these cards as well. There we go. Oh, backwards, that's Hugh McGinn. Oh, that's going to be an acetate, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this over. That's backwards too. Both of these are backwards, so let's just flip them over. We got Light Up the Night, Marco Casper. Gorgeous card. It looks pinky. It is numbered as well. It is going to be 543. Let's see if I can get that to focus. It's having trouble with these shiny cards getting a focus on it, but it says 543 of 699 on the pink Light Up the Night Marco Casper rookie. Good card. Good card right there. Loving that. We got Stars of the Show, Panarin. Damn good looking card there too. Nice foil board refractor on the back of it. Trying not to spoil this back one, even though I know you guys have already seen part of it. Another one. This has, oh, do they all have that acetate border? Oh, they do. They do all have that acetate type back. That's cool. But this is Hugh McGinn, rookie. Very nice for the Blues. Don't know much about him. Brand new. 1 game played. Set that to the side again there. Let's get some sleeves for these. And might as well get a top loader for him. Definitely going to get a sleeve and a top loader for Casper. This is a good rookie. This is a really nice hit from in here. Not a super low number, but definitely a solid player. Marco Casper. Pink Light Up the Night. The other one is a blue, I believe. Alright, pack number 3. Trying to be real careful with these. Pick that up a little bit. Just make a little slit. Ah, perfect. Beautiful. Like that a lot better. Alright, let's see what we got. Our first card is going to be Johnny Gaudreau. I like those acetate edges. That's crazy. Red acetate. Attached all the way across the back of the card. I'll show you guys the back of these. Then it's acetate all the way across. Ooh, look at that mark on the back there. Correlation machine mark there. Let's see if I can get that in the light just right so you can see it. No, it's not going to let you, but it's definitely there. Oh, we got a numbered cranked up of Ron Francis. That is definitely an acetate card. I can see all the way through this one because we got a numbered card behind it as well. That is going to be, oh, Synergistic Duos, Panarin and Fox. That's numbered to 999, 262 of 999. Lots of numbered cards in this. I am loving it. This cranked up Ron Francis is numbered to 399, 152. Oh yeah, it's definitely, there we go. 152 of 199 or 399. Very cool card. I like that acetate, man. That is slick. Big cards coming out of here. Lots of numbers. Liking this synergy. Really liking this synergy. Let's get a stand for that one. And let's get a stand for this one. One, two, three, 4 numbered cards so far. No auto yet. You're not guaranteed an auto in these boxes. Let me just go ahead and say that. So hopefully we will find our Bedard in here. And maybe I'll have some ink on it. That would be super sweet. I am being very careful when I insert that knife to make sure I've got the pack lifted up on the back so that we don't do any damage to the back of the cards as well. It is a trifle to get these open. Oh, hopefully without hurting the cards. We got another one of those 2030s in here. Going to start off with a Steve Stamkos base. Great looking card there. I like it. Next up, we have a backwards Jack Hughes. This is going to be an acetate card. Flammable Jack Hughes. Oh, look at that card. That is so sick. Wow. What a card, guys. That is, wow, that is so nice. So nice. Jack Hughes, not a terrible guy to pull. Oh, gotta be careful because this is a double card. Don't grab that edge, come on. There we go. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Whew. That feels a little tight. Let's go with a 55 on this one, guys. Get a nice fresh one here. Yeah, there we go. That's much nicer. I like that much better. Much better. There we go, guys. Flammable Jack Hughes acetate. Beautiful, beautiful card. Freaking love it. After opening the scoring with his 41st goal of the season, Hughes found Twine again in the second period before adding a pair of assists to propel the New Jersey Devils to an 8-1 route. Wow. That's just insane. Crazy good looking card. I am loving these synergies, guys. I am loving them. Absolutely cool. And we haven't even finished this. 2030 Matt Beniers. Very nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous cards, guys. Let's go ahead and get a sleeve for that. Top loader. Woo, 4 packs to go. That first half, man, I can't say enough. That first half was on fire. Now, we have not found an auto yet. Maybe we can change our luck with that here in this next pack. Oh my gosh, I just don't want to mess up the cards. I'm being so careful not to do that. These packs are not the easiest to open. Looks like our base is going to be a Sorokin. We have a numbered Light Up the Night, Drew Hellison. Sure, I know a whole lot about Hellison. It is numbered 294 of 999. Really hard to get it to focus on those. We'll get a sleeve and a top loader for that in a minute. And oh, this one is numbered as well, 141 of $5.99. It's going to be Matthew Bordor and Jack Hughes. Kind of a Hughes box here. Finding a few Hughes cards. So, yeah, I can't really complain about that. Numbered synergistic duos. That last name Hughes seems to be the theme for the day. Maybe I'm wrong. 2 numbered cards in that one. 2. Just absolutely outrageous. Absolutely outrageous, guys. I'm going to count all these up and find out just how many numbered cards we get out of this. I'm going to go ahead and set this one here. Go ahead and stack all these up. We'll go through them afterward. We'll make some room for another card over there because I'm sure we're going to need it. Sure, we get all the shinies off. There we go. Nice. All right, guys. 3 packs to go in this. Wow. This has just been great. Sorry this is taking me a little longer to do the opening here. Really trying hard not to damage these cards, so bear with me, please. All right, our base is going to be a rookie of Samuel Baldock. Very nice looking card. Next up, we got another one of these cranked up. That is going to be numbered as well. Cranked up, Sean Farrell, acetate, 146 of 199. These are crazy, guys. I can't believe the number of numbered cards coming out of here. I was hoping we were going to find an auto, but oh my goodness, almost every card coming out of here needs a sleeve and a top loader. Let's be honest. Synergistics duo of Matthew Barzil and Willem Dufour. That is going to be numbered 101 of 399, and I bet it won't focus on that one. Yeah, there we go. Nice looking card. I'm not sure what that parallel's called. It's got some kind of like almost like a snake skin to it. It's kind of weird looking background on that. If you guys know what that's called, let me know. Maybe it's written on the back. Just give me 1 second and we'll find out. I do not see it written on the back. Still a great looking card. Running out of room. Gonna have to start stacking stuff up in front of other stuff. 2 packs to go, guys. 2 packs to go. What else can we find in here? Because these have been absolutely awesome, in my opinion. Can't say enough. Our base card is going to be a rookie of Adam Ginning. For the Flyers there. We have a green StarQuest Matt Beniers. Great looking cards. Really great looking cards, guys. Oh, we got another Jack Hughes. This, like I said, guys, Jack Hughes box. Here we go. What do we got here? Jack Hughes is going to be the Thrill Rides. Beautiful. Look at that parallel. I love that background. It's like huge stars or crosses and stuff. That's really nice. Kind of like explosions. Show you guys the back. Thrill Rides. That one is not numbered, but we are going to get a sleeve and a top loader for this one anyway. And we're going to stick it over here with our other Hughes cards. That's our 3rd one out of this box. And we still got another pack to go. Definitely awesome. These things are definitely awesome. I'm just going to stick him in front of theirs. And I want to see the back of this Star Quest. It is numbered. I freaking knew it. 73 of 99. Veneers Green Star Quest. Gorgeous. Man, I can't believe it's just number after number. There's only been one base in every pack. And while every one of them hasn't been numbered, all the other ones have been really nice cards. I cannot say enough about this product, guys. I really can't. Our first low number there. Hopefully we'll get another one in this last pack. Even the base cards look great on these. Acetate sides with the cutout for the team logo. Very, very cool. Alright, last pack. No Bedard sightings yet. Maybe that'll change here. Let's hope so. Wish us luck, guys. Last pack in this one. Excuse me. Alright, starts us off with a Lundqvist, Henrik Lundqvist. Nice. We have a numbered acetate of Jackson Lacombe. That's going to be numbered 342 of 599 on the red cranked up. Come on, focus. Really has trouble with these acetate cards. I'm sorry, guys. Just have to trust me on that one. And our last card, it's going to be Stars of the Show. Does not appear to be an auto. It's going to be Austin Matthews. Wow, these parallels rock. They are gorgeous. Stars of the Show, Austin Matthews. More sleeves, more top loaders. We're going to run out of top loaders if we keep opening this product. I'll tell you that right now. Just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome product here, guys. I cannot say enough. Jackson Lacombe, cranked up red. So I'm going to replace this one. So I don't believe this one was numbered. This one is not numbered, and this one is not numbered, but that's fine. All right, let's go over here. All right, guys, I'm going to go through these real quick. We got one base card per pack, 8 bases. They all appear to be, well, that one's a rookie, Hugh King. Is that numbered? It is not. I'm not sure why that one has a different colored background on it. Maybe it's not really different. Maybe I'm just wrong. Beautiful cards, though. Each and every one of these are beautiful, beautiful cards. Some rookies in there. Our inserts here, we got 2030 Beniers. Got a couple of Beniers in here. Panarin, Stars of the Show. Jarvis on the 2030. Jack Hughes on the Thrill Rides. Very nice card there. We got a few of these Hughes cards. I'm really stoked about that. Stars of the Show, Matthews. Another great card. Flammable Jack Hughes, short print. Freaking nice, gorgeous acetate card. Beautiful foil board. Front and back is beautiful too. This one is not numbered, but still a beautiful short print. Good player as well. Speaking of him, let's just keep going with the Jack Hughes here to $5.99. Synergistic duos. Hughes and Bordeaux. Freaking nice. Lacombe on the acetate. Cranked up red to $5.99. Synergistic duos green to $9.99. Panarin and Fox. Gorgeous refractor there. Synergistic Duo to $3.99. Barzil and Dufour. Gorgeous. We got a Luke Hughes Upper Deck Portraits. Set that one over here. We got a couple of these Light Up the Nights. Let's see here. Yeah, just like that. Hellison to $9.99. Rookie. Marco Casper, very nice one, to $6.99. Definitely a good card there. And to $4.99. Boldy. Gorgeous. Got a couple of more of these cranked ups here. We got our first one's going to be Ron Francis, blue cranked up acetate to $3.99. Sean Farrell, purple cranked up to $1.99. Beautiful. And last but not least, Matty Beniers, green StarQuest, numbered to 99. Very nice. Love it. Where was that Beniers at? He goes in the same stack. Here's. Oh, right there. Alright, guys, let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbered cards out of that box, guys. 10 numbered cards out of 24. Holy cow. Flammable short print. Lots of neat inserts. I mean, just tons of neat little inserts in there. Loving this product. And just a few base cards. I think we are going to buy more. I think you will be seeing more synergy on this channel, guys. Alright, guys, tell me what you thought. What was your favorite card? Tell me in the comments, let me know. And then we will get our deck cleaned up here. Lots of stands this trip. Pretty crazy. Absolutely awesome opening that round. Appreciate everybody sticking with me this long. Sorry it was a little longer, but we had to take care of those. Sorry we didn't find a Bedard today. I tried for you guys. Here, I found you a Bedard. Maybe next time. Alright guys, I appreciate everybody joining me for this. Like I said, hit that like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. What was your favorite card? Your favorite pull? And be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. Until next time, guys, that's just the breaks. Peace. Happy Bedard.